Namaskar. Myself, Pravir Bhattacharya, the founder member of Anandadhwani Music Trust. And today, the first day of our 8th edition of Whitefield Music Festival. And this is a 2 days festival every year we are doing. Today, 30th November, and tomorrow, 1st December. So,
how many members are performing?
This year we are almost like 20 people are there, 20 musicians. And you can see, with Malavika ji, there are 4 musicians with her. So including her, it was 5. Then 4 from the next, the Jugalbandi. So 9 people already. And with T.M. Krishna sir, there will be 4 more people. So one day 13 people are, on one stage. They are, performing. And this is a completely, the Indian classical music we are trying to, come in the front. So then people can understand what is, our Indian culture also. So that's why we are, keeping not only Hindustani and not only Carnatic music. There, you can see both the way we are using, Carnatic music also, Hindustani music also, putting together also at one stage, at one, concert. So that is also, one, we are trying to, keep it in front of the audience who are coming to, listen to the music. And this is one step. Another, project is like, we are trying to put in front all those, upcoming artists who are, very much, trying their best to, show people and the talent. So with, Carnatic music, Hindustani music, both, from both the side we are keeping like one slot in between those legends, then where those upcoming artists, they can get a good audience in front of them to show their talent. So that is also one our project. And Anandadhwani Music Trust also is, has opened one Gurukul, where the music interested people, they can send their kids, or maybe they can come also to learn the music, both Carnatic, Hindustani. So already we have opened 8 categories. So into that, Carnatic vocal also is there, Carnatic dance form, Hindustani dance form, Hindustani vocal, tabla, mudangam, painting, and Rabindra Sangeet also. That Rabindranath Tagore also is a very, with all the people, always he is there. Whatever you want to do in your life, one time you have to, work with his whatever he has done. So for that also we have tried. And this is the 8th edition we are doing this year, 2024, Whitefield Music Festival. And hope everybody will enjoy. And it is like, this year we are trying here in KTPO, Whitefield, because it's a Whitefield Music Festival, so we don't want to go anywhere except Whitefield. So that is also one, our, the motivation, to keep it in Whitefield, and Whitefield people can enjoy the music. So thank you very much, all the music lovers. Please come, please encourage us to bring it, in front of you next time also, and it will be far better. What we will try our best to do, in coming years. Thank you.
I'm a trustee of Anandadhwani Music Trust. I think Prabir said whatever needs to be said. I think what he said is very right. We are trying to bring classical music and dance to parts of Bangalore which are very dry. To go to Chaudhya or to Jayanagar from Whitefield is very difficult. So we want the people who live in Whitefield, for them to enjoy music in close quarters. That is one of our endeavors besides supporting upcoming artists.
Myself, Sushant Mukherjee. I am trustee and treasurer of Anandadhwani Music Trust, and I am also disciple of Sangeet Ratna Pravir Bhattacharya. I started learning Mohan Veena from my Guru Pandit Vishwaman Bhattji, and then recently I am with Pravir for the last 3 years. I am learning from him, and with this endeavor, being a student of him and this thing, we thought to promote this Indian classical music in this area of Bangalore, which is very important. Today, we are all busy in technology. Even music has come digitally more than the offline. But once it comes the offline, the feel of music, those things is very important for the the students, the working young generation, they should enjoy this music. And it is only possible when you attend the offline music in the auditorium. Then only you get the feel of Indian music. With YouTuber and all this digital media, you cannot feel it. Because it is a passing on. You are doing something, some work or something, and then you are listening. It goes to your ear, but it doesn't go to your heart. So we want that it should go to the heart. And what is our music, our culture? We should do that. Today, India is prominent in the Indian classical music, but our young generation, because of the studies pressure and all other working pressure, they just drift away from this.
Sir, where are your Gurukulam located and what are the other activities apart from music you're concentrating on?
Gurukul is located in Hopefront. There's a Kristila Villa is there. In that villa number 12, our Gurukul is there. We have the vocal and instrumental, Karnataki and painting,
And also
dance
Ravindra Sangeet.
and Ravindra Sangeet.
And all the gurus are
All the gurus are
professionals.
very professional. They are all either A-grade artists of All India Radio, and all professionals are engaged in that. And we are trying to do whatever the best we can do in our small capacity.
It's a music and dance only. She
Yeah,
said
it's a
what-
music, dance and painting.
To bring this quality to tell you, and Anandavani, congratulations on having a classical dance and music festival. As I said, we just need your support for classical dance, which as you can see is not entertainment. I haven't come here as an entertainer. None of these artists are entertainers. We're artists, we're imaginative people. We see things you don't see. And that's what we bring to you in our every attempt, in every endeavor. And as I said, we stand in the front of the altar of classical dance, and that is the only altar. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anand.